Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome to Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, the Nifty opened gap down yesterday, but then the power in Nifty continued. In fact, for the first time after so many days, the FIIs have gone on a profit booking mode. Yes, they sold for 1,706 crores while the DIAs have bought for 470 crores. Of course, this is going to give some negativity in the market, because if the FIIs continue to book profits, then we could see the market again coming down. So that means 18,000 could be a distant dream. But then it could be also considered a one-off because yesterday we had discussed about Sona shares being offloaded. Yes. So if it is just that one deal which is actually taking the Nifty to net selling by FIIs, then probably we could see the FIIs continuing to buy today. And if that happens, we could see the market going above 18,000. So today's 18,000 completely depends on the FIIs. Are they going to buy or are they going to sell? But of course, this being the last day of the week, we can expect the market to be a little volatile and having some sell-off by end of the day. So if 18,000 has to be hit, probably it has to be hit in the first half of the day. So apart from that, if you look at the US market, the US markets were in the green yesterday. In fact, Nasdaq closed up by 0.21%. S&P 500 was up 0.23% and Dow Jones was slightly up by 0.06%. And as I look at the SGX Nifty, in fact, SGX Nifty is indicating somewhere around 17,967. So that means we could expect the market to open flat today. So it is always good to open flat without a major gap up, probably, which will not lead to a sell-off in the initial start of the day. But then if you look at the Asian markets as of now, Hong Kong is up by 0.59%, which is almost 0.6. And we could also see Korea down by 0.17%, Shanghai is down 0.18%, and Japan is up 0.14%. So it's kind of mixed in the Asian markets as well. So let us see how the markets actually trades today in India. Now there is some important news to be tracked. In fact, the government of India has hiked the windfall tax, profit tax on the export of diesel by almost 7 rupees per litre. So this is not going to be good for oil exporting companies like airlines. So that's something which we need to see. If Reliance, which is a heavy weight, goes down, then it can take the Nifty along with it. That's something that we need to watch out. But apart from that, if you see, the major support has been coming in from the banking sector. Yesterday, the market actually went up majorly powered by the banking sector, which was majorly two stocks, which is SBI and Kotak Bank. So apart from that, there is some good news as HDFC Bank has increased the FD rates by 40 basis points, and Federal Bank is in news as they have inaugurated 15 new branches, which has actually taken up their presence higher across the country. So this is going to be a good news for Federal Bank as well. Meanwhile, Punjab National Bank also has increased their interest rates on their fixed deposits. So all these are kind of making the banks kind of stronger. And if HDFC Twins are going to give some power to the market, we could see the market actually taking some support and probably 18,000 also. So that's something that we need to watch out. If you look at the important levels for today, I would say 17,800 on the lower level is important level. If that is broken, we could see some bearish moves. But as long as it stays above 17,800, we could say that the market is still poised to take higher. And on the higher side, of course, 18,000 would be a resistance. And unless 18,000 is broken, I don't think there is a reason to worry for people who have sold some options in the Gold Club as well. So with that, this is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember today is the last day of the week, so we'll catch up on Sunday, 7 p.m. And if you're not a member on the MPA community yet, do join the community free of cost and be a part of the Sunday meeting as well, which is exclusive to MPA members. So before we leave, do press the like button if you love the content that we share, and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a happy weekend.